Okay guys, so the first thing that we're gonna do is open the photo app, and you can either load your backgrounds that you've downloaded, or you could just use a plain image. Next, we're gonna add our text. So I'm just gonna add a text color because it's a lot more easier to type, and I'm gonna change the font to bubblegum. So we're gonna center it in the middle of the screen, and you're gonna want to go to style and customize the text and change the color of it to whatever you like. And once it's done, you're finally gonna save it to your camera roll, and make sure you do not move it after you save it. We just have to go to style and choose another color, and go to style and choose another color again, and you just keep repeating that. After that, we're gonna go into KineMaster, or you can also do this in iMovie, KitKat, or whatsoever. And we're gonna go into the media browser and import all of your photo from Photo. Next, we're gonna shorten our clips like that, and make it as short as possible, or it can depend on your liking. And after that, you're finally gonna save it.